Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is the intraday morning update for the Nasdaq 100. It's going to be a short and quick update because related to my yesterday's evening video, where I've explained everything in detail. I just want to go over now the possible diagonal pattern that's forming here. Okay, and I think that the C wave of Y, because I do expect this thing as a WXY correction, and the Y wave needs to be a three-wave move, so it's an A, B, C. And the C wave is developing into a diagonal pattern, possibly. Okay. And from the B wave, we have done wave one in ABC, wave two in ABC, possibly still working in the three of an ABC. Then we should come up higher and then one more low. So that's at the moment the scenario I'm watching, or that's at least my idea how this could play out. And oops. And the question is now, because these diagonal patterns, they are also very, very hard to distinguish sometimes, okay? So at the moment, I do think that it's an A, B, C for wave one, A, B, C for wave two. We should get the A, we C possibly for wave three, maybe finished, I don't know, but it could also be another B wave and another C wave to come for the three, then do another ABC for wave four, and then another ABC for wave five. And only a break above the green line here indicated at the swing high of 2 would invalidate this diagonal pattern. And it's at 20,705. So at least when we come up here and break this level, it could be an indication that this is already done somewhere here, okay? But at the moment, you see we are inside the 50% and the 61.8% retracement level at 20,184 and 19,647. And I also talked about the trend line yesterday, which I have drawn on the chart. That is this trend line I'm talking about. And it could really be that the price wants to go there and retest it and find support there. Okay. So that's very slightly above the 61.8 pip retracement at 19,647. And we could find support here and then go higher. And then there comes in play that it's either the yellow scenario, that would be a B wave in three waves to the upside, or it's the white scenario here labeled in white that is forming an impulse to the upside in the C of the minor 5. So that's at the moment not really clear, but we have to be open for both scenarios right now. And when we build this impulse to the upside, this needs to be a 5-wave move in C in white to finish the minor 5th wave and the primary 3 up here, okay? So this is at the moment the question. Do we find support here? I do expect that, yes, but we have to be open for both scenarios, either the yellow scenario with one more low afterwards in the C wave, or this is at the moment the low of sorts in place with the impulse building to the upside. So this is getting very interesting, but for now and today, it could be a little bit still choppy and yeah, moving in this channel to the downside. I would be still very cautious here with any trades. I mean, I cannot tell you how to trade, but I can only talk out probabilities here, and that still looks for the correction still not done. So really have to see, and only a break above the green light would indicate more upside continuation. Okay, good. Can I talk about more bearish scenarios at the moment? Not, because I still think we should find support in here, either in a three-wave corrective counter trend rally to the upside, followed by more downside, or at least the white scenario. But if we break these levels to the downside, I will let you definitely know, and then we possibly have to change the count. But until the scenario is not invalidated, I'm still thinking that this will find support here and go higher from here. Let me just put up the volume profile. We can talk also about the order flow. So yeah, the 4-hour point of control is above us. The daily point of control, as projected in yesterday's video, is below us. It's getting interesting, I think, which direction the price want to take here. Let me just see the order flow, what's going on there. So at least it looks like they want to try to protect this low here at the moment. Okay, you can see this. We have a relatively strong, what does mean it's relatively strong, but it's only the hourly chart. And you see we have more buying volume down here, but this can shift as well, okay? The next big resistance comes a little bit higher. I mean, it's also, yeah, could be a volume node forming here. Let's about 20,465. And then we have 20,348. So I think this level here could provide some resistance. And that's in line with my fourth wave target here, and then another sell-off to the downside in 3 waves. That could happen. Let me check something else. You see, yeah, at the moment where we are right now, there's a volume node forming. It's directly here. It has been here. Has it gone? Yes, there it is. You can see that we have a volume node forming here, and this could possibly be that volume that I was talking about, that they want to protect the slow somehow. But until we have no confirmation that we at least break above the green line, and you can see also on the green line, there's volume resistance here. Yeah, let's see. As long as we are not having confirmation here, I would still think that we're moving in this channel to the downside. And I think, yeah, that's a good proportion to be a little bit on the side of caution here. Yeah, see, point of control is above us on this value area here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it could be interesting, but I still think as long as we are not taking this high here at the 20,715, I would suggest the continuation in this channel still goes further. Okay, I don't know at the moment about option expiration today. I haven't looked at that, but I think, yeah, I think they will. Yeah, it's interesting. It's really interesting. Okay, but I would still think that we're going to get some resistance in this area and then come lower. At least if we're going to go higher from here, we need a break above the green line. Okay, guys, and that's the short update for today. We hear us in the evening, or at least maybe later when there's something changing in the count. But until then, I wish you all the best and have a good trading day and talk to you soon. Bye bye. Ciao.